Congratulations on the purchase of your pre-filter here with Healthy Hydration. In today's video, we're going to walk you through step by step on how to install this today. So what you're going to find out is you have 2 canisters here. We have already preloaded them for you with your media for your zip code, so you won't have to open it up. The next step here is during traveling, it can get a little bit loose, so you might want to just tighten it a little bit with the black ring here. Just slip it up and over and tighten. Now you're also going to notice we have already put the 3/4 inch quick connects here for you. We have plumber's tape already as well. If you notice any leaks, it's possible that there's not enough plumber's tape, so we did provide some plumber's tape for you. So if you notice that, you just need to wrap it several more times. All right, so let's go ahead and get underneath the sink and show you the next step. The first step here is you're going to find you have a John Guest fitting. So the John Guest fitting, it's going to go underneath here, and you're going to make sure to turn off your water supply. So that's very important to turn off the water supply. After you do that, you're going to go and take your wrench or pliers, and you're going to undo the main water line going up the cold water. Okay, and then after you do that, you're going to go ahead and take your John Guest fitting, and you're going to make sure it's tight. And you're just going to connect the top down to the John Guest fitting, and then you're going to use your pliers to tighten it up. Both on the top and on the bottom. And once it's really snug there, you can also put a little bit of plumber's tape if you feel the need to do that. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and take our 3/4 inch. We've already pre-cut it for ourselves. You're just gonna put the fitting here, the blue fitting, 3/4 inch quick connect, into the John Guest. And make sure it goes all the way in there. If it doesn't, it's possible it can leak. Now the next step here, you're gonna run it right into your filter. And you're gonna push really hard, make sure that it's snug. Okay, and then on the other side here, we have another piece we've already pre-cut. And then we're gonna push it in here. Now, if you're gonna go up to the water line, it's coming out of your sink, the 3/8 will be just fine for the tubing. But if you're going into a side diverter, then you're gonna need a 3/4 inch quick connect to a 1/4 inch. And so we've got one of those here. Just put it on the end. And now we're gonna come with our 1/4 inch line and push it towards the end there. Okay, and if you have a server, or if you're going up to your diverter, you might need a little bit longer if you're going up to the diverter, and you just reach back in and push it up through the diverter, and then you have your faucet up front. For us, we're gonna put it into our server here, so we can make hydrogen with our server module. And now, we are ready to go ahead and turn on the water. Now, turn it on very slow at the very beginning. You don't want too much pressure going through. Okay, so we have everything connected down. Now, you're either gonna have a digital faucet here or just a standard RO faucet. You're gonna notice some air is gonna come through there. It's perfectly normal. You're also gonna notice a little bit of color change too, because you're gonna get some of that filter media. It's just pushing through it. It's perfectly normal. Now I'm gonna go ahead and increase the water a little bit now. I barely have it on a trickle. We're just gonna add a little bit more. Just watching for any leaks. And we are good to go here. Okay, so we are going. All right, so you're just gonna let that run for a good 5 minutes or so and just flush that media, and you should be good to go. If you do notice any leaking, it's possible that you don't have quite enough plumber tape. We didn't have enough on there for you, but in every case, it's perfectly fine. So we'll see you, and be happy to be helping you free.